Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 77 GMC Sierra 1500. Goes down the road nice. Here we're going just about 60. See fuel gauge, right? The eighth of the tank is all. Good driving old truck. I mean, one you can drive as it is until you restore it. Can't beat a spare body short box. They're good investments. Like I said, I'm going down the road 60 miles an hour. Doesn't hardly pull or anything. This is my suspension bump test. Pretty solid. Project and maybe you got a budget, you can't afford one of these at 40 grand or like most of the short boxes are done, or you want to do one yourself. I mean, the motor runs good, but you certainly can pull it out and put an LS in it. Interior, you know, needs carpet in the dash. You can probably repaint the door panels. That'd be it, because we did the seats, so it wouldn't take much to do the interior. And like I said, drivetrain as much as you want. Pretty solid truck, not a ton of rust on it, so it wouldn't be too hard to restore. We'll pull up here and turn around here. Brakes work good. Power steering works good, and we'll go through the transmission shifts here. First to second. Second to third. So, nice solid truck. Any questions? 605-695-7391.